If you work in Krita, one of the smartest things you can do is turn on autosave so you never lose progress if your computer crashes, Krita freezes, or you accidentally close your project. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to autosave in Krita, step by step, in a simple way that takes just a minute or two. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Krita on your computer and look at the top menu bar. From there, go to Settings and then click Configure Krita. This is where Krita keeps all of its important preferences and program options. Once the settings window opens, look at the left sidebar and click on the General tab. This section contains the basic application preferences, and it's where you will find the options related to saving and file handling. Now move to the top of the main panel and select the File Handling tab. This is the section that controls how Krita manages your files, including save behavior, backups, and autosave settings. Here, look for the option called Enable Autosave. Make sure this checkbox is turned on. If it's not checked, Krita will not autosave your work, so this is the most important step in the whole process. Once it's enabled, Krita will automatically save recovery data at regular intervals. Next, you can set how often Krita should autosave your work. You'll see an autosave period slider, or in some versions, you may be able to type in a number directly. Choose the frequency that works best for you. For example, setting it to 5 minutes means Krita will autosave more often, which is great if you want extra protection. If you prefer fewer interruptions, you can set it to 10 minutes or another value that feels comfortable for your workflow. A shorter autosave interval gives you more safety, especially during detailed painting or long editing sessions. A longer interval may feel a little smoother if you don't want autosave happening too often. The best setting depends on how you work, but for most users, 5 to 10 minutes is a solid choice. After you've enabled autosave and adjusted the period to your liking, click OK to save your preferences. That's it. Krita will now autosave according to the interval you selected, helping protect your work in the background while you focus on creating. If you want to make sure everything is working properly, you can start a new drawing or open an existing project and continue working for a few minutes. Krita should now save recovery data automatically based on the interval you set. So now you know how to autosave in Krita and how to change the autosave frequency for a better workflow. It's a simple setting, but it can save you a lot of time and frustration later. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Krita tutorials, creative tips, and beginner-friendly software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.